So hello guys, we are live now. So let's start our today's session with our gold analysis. So this is our weekly chart, and as we can see, gold is kept bouncing on this one here, and as you can see, price should test this area of 4381. Now if we see this was the morning star formation, and price have just tested its middle candle demand area here, and now in daily time frame structure is still bullish. As you can see, this is our breakout structure, and this was our last low which price should hold to go more upside. Below this low we had so price just sweep liquidity here, test this area, and again reclaim. After the reclaim we have this market structure shift. So right now price is bullish in daily time frame, and it is bouncing from this zone here. In daily time frame, this is the order block which was pending for the test, and price just tested and moving. Whenever we have a daily time frame and 4-hour time frame pending order blocks which get test here like this one, it will give you a massive initial test momentum, and we are already watching this. This is our market structure shift, and if price want to go more upside, it should create this high, this low, this higher high, and this can be a higher low. After that we can expect price to create a new higher high like this one, because if you see this, the bottom is like this one here, the high, the higher low, then again the higher high, and this can be the higher low. Okay, so current structure is still bullish in daily time frame. In weekly we have this order block test. In daily time frame, price is showing a bottom wicks here, which is an indication that price is bouncing here, and we have this structural area test, and price is not closing below. So this is the indication that buyers are present here, and they want to take price towards this high, and the main momentum will increase after this high break. So right now I'm watching for this, and if you see this in 4-hour time frame, this will be much clear. In 4-hour time frame, this was the order block from where I was expecting a bounce, and it was a highest volume area too. See this, market just tested and moving. Now we have this area, and price is facing resistance from there. Okay, So in 4-hour time frame, structure is bullish towards this direction. After that we have this change of character, we have two candle closing below it, then we again have a break of structure and this massive supply area test here. The price is continuously rejecting from there. Once price flip back above this, then it will move. Before that, we will just watch this area as a bounce zone and we will try to buy it. Okay. Now in 1-hour time frame, this was the last break of structure. Then we have this liquidity sweep test of this 4-hour order block. Again a market structure shift. After market structure shift, we have this 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after the 5 wave, it was indication that price will break this high, and then we have a change of character in 1-hour time frame. So right now 1 hour is also bullish, and after the change of character, this is a retracement, and retracement is, first retracement can be near about 618 to 786% here of fib, and we have a 786 test here which was aligned with this demand. And if you see this demand in 15 minutes, it have a pending order block test. See this was the order block which was pending for the test. We have the test of it and price is moving. After the testing, here what we have in structure, this was the last break of structure in 15 minutes towards upside. Then we have this change of character. After that we have this break of structure, and the last break of structure is this one. So right now the main hurdle for the gold is this high, because this is our 15-minute break of structure. After watching this, you can see this, we have a liquidity sweep test of this order block, then market structure shift here, then again pump and break of structure. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves completed. So price should hold this low and pump again to break this high and give us a change of character above this zone, and price is 4107. This is the main resistance right now for gold, which it should break, and it have this much big, because this is the full rejection area. So whenever 5 waves happen, there is an indication that price want to go upside, and if you have any FVG or the pending order blocks below that, then you can expect price to sweep that, test this area and move again like this one. So yeah, if I get a test near this area of 5 minutes here, this order block is still pending for the test, and it is aligned with this one too. So this is the full price of 4049 to 4042. If price tests this area and again reclaim here, then this will be the possible path. First a drop, test this area, again reclaim, give us a change of character here, smaller time frame, then again test this area and move. Like this one here, it will test this area because this is the support zone, and price will sweep its liquidity, again reclaim, give us a smaller time frame, change of character again, and then it will move. So watch for this area around 4050 to 4042. After that, once price reclaim back this low of 4054, then you can enter in long position with the recent low SL, and your target will be this first high around 4100, and your second target will be this high around 4132. Then price will again retrace back after testing this high. So right now my plan is to long gold towards this high around 4147. This will be my target, and if we see price mostly play in even numbers, okay, so the bottom testing price will be exactly 1000 pips from here, the target zone, which is 4047. So let's mark this 4047 here, near about this one here. Price will test this area 4047 near about, and then it will pump for 4147. So that's my view on gold. I'm watching for long entry after testing this area, sweeping liquidity and again reclaim. Then if it gives a smaller time frame change of character on the retracement, I will be buying, and my target will be 4147. Because a smaller time frame structure is already being changed. We have a multiple breakout structures here, and I'm expecting price to continue this momentum. Once it break this high, it will be a much clear to us this high, and then in 1 hour time frame it will be like a change of character, a new higher low, then new higher high, and then continue like this one. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting in gold. So give me your comments on this one. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. I'm coming for the live chat. Let's see what you guys have. Hello sir, show a trading strategy for the beginners to follow. Just follow structure. It is the main and backbone of full market. If you know how to play structure, it will be much easier to understand market. Hello bro, I'm from Nepal. Recently I passed my first phase of funded. Congratulations. Friday on sale I made $250. I need more $250 to pass second phase well. Following your ideas, I need to thank it with patience and trust. Thank you very much, brother. We have audio problem. It's keep cutting off. Maybe some network issue. Please draw the box including the price. You can make more lengthy so it will reach to price. This is the price I already showing, but it will show you over here around 4049 to 4042, and the upper zone. If you see this, the right scale in blue numbers are the prices of this box. Okay, What about PPI this week? If PPI is strong, massive sell-off will start. We will watch that. But before that, if structure is bullish, I'm not willing to short here. I will watch for buy. This zone is also for buy. If I get a more sweep here, then I will be watching for buy from here again around 4008 to 3994. And if I have a daily time frame structure change below this low of 3946, then I will be watching for short. For that, shorting is very bad here. Structure is still bullish. This lower areas liquidity hunt are showing that the price want to hunt a upside liquidity, which is this one. Okay. તમારી તબિયત સારી થઈ ગઈ કે કેમ? અરે સારું છું ભાઈ, નથી એવું કંઈ, બસ ખાલી બાટલી ચડાવી. All by following your strategies. Thank you very much. I really want to be your fellow. You are the great advisor, mentor. You are going a top-notch quality. Thank you, brother. I am telling that price watching this from mobile, so it is very difficult. I always tell price for the box. If you can rewind, brother, because if I draw too much lines here, it will be messy chart. You can't see everything clearly here. So I just speak out these prices of the box. It will be very much messy chart if I put every box as a price tag. Your paths are always incredible and from the future. Great, brother. Thank you, brother. It was very much easy to predict this move, because I was expecting that after the change of character there will be a minimum 60% retracement. So I was expecting price to test this area, and there was a pending liquidity here, so I was expecting this path to be played here like this one here, and we are having the same path. See this, test this area, move again, hunt out liquidity like this, test this area again and move. So I'm still expecting this move will happen from here. It is already been started, and I'm willing to enter here for the long opportunity for the target of 4147. Though I am already in swing trade from here, this is my swing entry, and I'm still expecting price to test and create a new ATH near about 4381. And in my VIP group, we are still in long from this zone here. What is the situation of BTC? Okay, let's just have a BTC view. Okay, so for BTC in monthly time frame, we have a breakout structure. So after the breakout structure, mostly price bounce from the first zone, this, and The second zone is this. Price already bounced from here and hitting its target of this high. So after creating a high, whenever price tests the first zone, the first target is recently created high. It is already done here. So if price again tests this area, it is most likely to break that one and test bottom zone. And we are already having the bottom zone test here. So after the test of this area, price should pump. But here we have a one twist, that price do not have any liquidity here. You can clearly see this. Price do not have any liquidity here. And we have this high is still pending for the test. After this high, we don't have retested. So if price want to induce buyers over here, they will sweep the liquidity, test this area of the previous high, and this will be your next swing buy zone for BTC. In my opinion, it will be a good buy opportunity if BTC tests this last ATH, which is this one, around 69k. Okay, and if you see this in weekly time frame, there is a weekly time frame untested order block pending at the level of 69k, which is making this level very much stronger. And after testing this area, I'm expecting price to create a new high in BTC around 150k, near about this one, 150 to 145k. This will be enough. Okay, so watch for the BTC liquidity sweep here, then I will be entering in long. Bro, do you have Telegram channel? Yes, we have Telegram channel. We have a free channel and I post my all analysis over there too. By the way, I follow your analysis every day. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Same thing for euro. Euro is bullish in daily time frame, and this is a pending order block, and price have created a liquidity here. Wait for the bounce here, else it will directly break down. Why? Because in weekly time frame it have just a liquidity sweep. I am waiting for a sweep and reclaim of this low around 1.146185, near about the previous low, the last low here. Okay, euro is still bullish in daily time frame until this structure get break. You can clearly see this. Price is making higher lows, again higher highs, higher lows. This is a new higher high and this is a new higher low. Then price can go like this. Price creating a liquidity here. Do you guys have any other questions? No questions? Okay guys, so we are winding up this session over here. Thank you for joining. I also need some rest, so we will be watching market on Monday. And again, for the new members, that I'm still expecting gold to bounce again, because the main structure is still bullish and it's intact, and I'm expecting price to again break above this high and create a new breakout structure in 1 hour time frame. In 4 hour it is still bearish, but testing of this zone is also important, so price can again pump and test this area of 4147 to 4155, this, which is this one here, this full zone. So until this zone I'm still bullish in gold, and price will give us some liquidity sweep, again reclaim, and target will be this high. We have this big morning star here too, so price can test this and again pump. So thank you for joining guys, see you in the next week. Until then, keep trading, keep printing.